Construction.
Construction.
Their bathroom is still nice. This is one of the coolest rooms talaga I like.
Yeah.
Why?
Because of the two windows and the light coming from the windows gets out of the
It's the mirror.
Eh, bakit ganito yung bed? Dito ba yung bed?
I don't know, baby.
Sige,
Malaki
ganahan
naman.
natin, no?
Kasya naman tayo sa isa.
It's time with the light.
At least we can have privacy. Charot.
This for mine.
The view nga lang is the construction. Parang last year, ganun din yung view natin.
Hindi, wala pa yan eh.
Iba yung kina-construct last year. So, saan yung pool? So, this will be my workstation. May no? Sweet yung dating niya kasi may sala. Sofa. Okay, picture time. Haven't videoed it with the lights on. Nice. Picture tayo dyan habang naliligo. Parang bigla ako natata. Ito yun. Naka-record pa pala. Narinig ako. Nabusog sa lemongrass. Welcome, Hansel Villanueva. Di ba parang ganyan din yung sa Marina Bay Sands?
Marina Bay, oh.
Sa Singapore. May welcome.
Itas nga lang.
Okay, lights is one of the coolest thing I remember when we stayed at New Star before. Kaya pinaglalaroan namin ngayon. Okay, open the other lights, baby. Next.